Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today's video is part of the Cancer Awareness Collaboration Group. This month's awareness is anal cancer. I'm going to put on some music and let you watch the video, and I'll be back momentarily. Here is my finished set. I'll add the playlist link in the description box. It's for all the others who have participated in the collab. Go on and check out their videos and show them some love and support. I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe and notification buttons. It's free to do so and you'll never miss out on any of my content. Also, if you could watch the first few minutes of the video, so it can register with YouTube's algorithm, I would really appreciate that. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support of my channel. Also like and leave a comment. I love reading all your comments and it really does help my channel grow. See you next video.